Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is with Nenthra banana. It is a sweet steamed dumpling made with rice flour, ripe Nenthra banana, coconut and jaggery. It will be soft on the outside, sweet and flavorful inside. This is one of our family's favorite snack. Let's make this simple and tasty treat together. For this preparation, we need ripe Nenthra banana, rice flour, jaggery, cardamom, and till seeds, white till seeds. First, we will cut the ripe Nenthra banana into two halves and steam them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they turn soft. Whenever I make these, they just disappear in minutes. Next, let's melt the jaggery. We'll add the jaggery to a pan with a little water and heat gently until it melts completely. Strain it to remove any dirt or impurities. Now in a pan, we will add the grated coconut. Then goes in the melted and strained jaggery. One-fourth teaspoon of cardamom powder and a spoon of sesame seeds. We will cook this mixture on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes slightly thick and aromatic. We'll turn off the heat and let it cool. Let's remove the banana from the steamer. Once the banana is steamed, the skin comes off very easily. Now, after removing the skin, we will mash the banana well with a spoon until smooth. It will be soft and easy to mash smoothly. The banana is mashed well now. Let's add 1 cup of rice flour to it and mix everything together until it forms a soft dough. There will be enough moisture in the banana itself, so don't have to add any extra water. We will just knead everything together into a smooth, soft dough. Our sweet coconut filling would have cooled down by now. We will take a medium sized portion of the banana rice dough, knead it gently and flatten it in a palm. Place a spoonful of the filling in the center, then carefully bring the edges together and seal it. Roll it lightly to make a smooth ball. Look at this smooth ball. This is exactly how it should look. Let's make the rest in the same way. Nenthra banana is packed with fiber and gives natural energy. It is good for kids and also adults alike. Jaggery is a healthy sweetener that is rich in iron and helps boost immunity. And our coconut adds healthy fats and make this snack filling and wholesome. Together, these ingredients make our Kozhakatta or dumpling Not just tasty but also very nutritious. Nenthra banana is also called Kerala banana or Ethaparam. It is grown in Kerala for centuries. It is considered one of the very oldest and most nutritious varieties of banana and is often used in traditional snacks like paramburi, banana chips, and payasam. Because it is rich in energy and easy to digest, it was always a part of farmers' meals before a long day of work. Nenthra banana is not just popular in Kerala, it is also eaten in Tamil Nadu and coastal Karnataka. In Sri Lanka, a similar banana is used in sweet dishes, and in some African countries, this variety is cooked and eaten as a staple food. Wherever it is grown, people love it for its natural sweetness and energy giving quality. Now all the Kozhakattas are ready. Let's place them in a steamer and steam them for about 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame until the outer layer turns shiny and slightly glossy. Our Kozhakattas are cooked well now. Look at that beautiful shine on them. Let's plate them carefully while they are still warm. These soft, sweet Kozhakattas are ready to enjoy, perfect with a cup of tea or as a special treat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, do try it at home and share your experience in the comments. See you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, happy cooking.